Hello everyone, this is Kirti Kuntal. My topic is femoral sheath and canal from lower limb. First of all, femoral sheath. Femoral sheath encloses upper 4 cm of femoral vessel. It is funnel shaped sleeve of fascia. Upper 3 to 4 cm of femoral vessels. Its formation, downward extension of two layers of fascia of the abdomen. Anterior wall and posterior wall. Anteriorly, it is formed by fascia transversalis, lies anterior abdominal wall, and posterior wall fascia iliaca, cover iliacus muscles. It is there. Inferiorly, sheath emerges with connective tissue surrounded femoral vessels. It is asymmetrical. Lateral wall is vertical and medial wall is oblique. This is femoral sheath. Sheath is divided into three compartments by septa. There are three compartments: lateral, intermediate and medial compartment. In lateral compartment content femoral artery. This is lateral compartment and femoral artery. Femoral branch of genitofemoral nerve is also present there. Second is intermediate or venous compartment. Here femoral vein is present. Medial or lymphatic compartment known as femoral canal. Femoral canal. Now we read femoral canal. Femoral canal is medial compartment of femoral sheath. Conical in shape, wide above and narrow below. Base or upper end of femoral canal known as femoral ring. It is bounded anteriorly inguinal ligament, posteriorly pectineus muscle, medially lacunar ligament, part of a inguinal ligament, laterally septa separate from femoral vein. Content. The femoral canal contains a lymph node of clot, lymphatics and a small amount of areolar tissue. The lymph node drains the glans penis in males and the clitoris in females. Now we talk about clinical part, which is femoral hernia. Femoral canal is an area of potential weakness in the abdominal wall through which abdominal content may bulge out, forming a femoral hernia. Femoral hernia is more common in females because femoral canal is wider, associated with the wider pelvis and smaller size of femoral vessels in the females. It is never congenital. Congenital means it is not present by birth. Structure. Hernia comprises a neck and a sac. This is a neck and this structure is known as sac of hernia. Covering are the various layers on the sac. Content of hernial sac is a loop of vowel. The course of enlarging hernial sac is typical. It passes downward through femoral canal and forward saphenous opening, finally upward superficial epigastric and superficial circumflex iliac vessels. This is a diagram of femoral hernia. Thank you.